Hi and welcome along everyone. So today's little cooking exercise, we're going to show you how to do sausages in our U10 air fryer, but obviously any fryer. There they are, all ready to rock and roll. Right then, we're going to do ours at 200 degrees and we're going to take a look at them in about 5 minutes and see how they're doing. Right, let's have a look at them 5 minutes in, shall we? And as you can see, they're starting to go, so keep a close eye. Here we then, after 7 minutes, we're going to roll them over now and do the other sides. Easy peasy, away we go. Total time then was 10 minutes all told. They are done, we will show them in a minute, but first of all I want to show you the amount of fat that has come out into the air fryer. And look at that lot. Okay, that's a lot of fat, isn't it? But that's not in your sausages anymore. Here we go then. Super fry up, we decided to make it something a little bit bigger. Now we also did our bacon in the air fryer as well. There is a separate video showing how to do bacon. I'll give you the link for that one. But if you were cooking just for one, you could probably get away with the sausages and the bacon in there together, but obviously you wouldn't have enough room in it to do more than that. But as it is, it looks great, and I can't wait to start eating it. The sausages look fantastic, don't they? Let's eat and enjoy. Oh.